Welcome. My name is Philip Gallagher and I have produced this documentary as an investigation into the use of LED streetlights within New South Wales. After comprehensive study of various articles, web pages, textbooks and interviews, I will deliver a reliable response towards this topic, covering all perspectives. I will also explore the use of LED streetlights in another country to help compare and scale the effects and opinions created by this issue. The New South Wales government has revealed their intention to replace all mercury vapour streetlights with light-emitting diode technology. This technology has the potential to save councils millions of dollars in maintenance and energy costs. During the past 18 months, 62 LED streetlights were trialled in 8 locations across New South Wales. Results from this trial indicate a savings in electricity of up to 40%. This initiative is highly anticipated by the community since the overweighing benefits like improved visibility and brightness for safety, and the fact that it is environmentally friendly and could potentially minimize electricity bills. The company elected to install the LED streetlights is Central Coast-based company Sylvania Lighting. Their primary objective is known as helping make a vital community service more efficient and cost-effective. This company, at the forefront of the technology, revealed that the use of LED streetlights is estimated to cut energy consumption by 27.6% and stop 1,547 tons of carbon emissions from going into the atmosphere per year.
Gone to tender and beaten the mighty Philips and Oscrim and Cree and all the manufacturers to secure this contract. Typically, streetlights are maintained every 2 to 3 years by replacing the lamp. This won't need any maintenance, it will simply keep on going, not needing any repair. It is also a win for the environment because it means that we will have far more efficient lighting systems which will use a lot less power. That will mean a lot less cost for the council. Eventually, we are hoping it will even help save people on their rates. This will be a model for Australia, indeed the world, and it's a shame it has taken this long for the government to actually get out there and do this for the environment. But here is the coalition government doing it.
There are two main points of view surrounding this issue, one of a positive nature and the other of a negative. The positive being the people who view the issue in an optimistic light. They trust in the technology and are convinced it will bring better sustainability to the future of our environment.
LED technology will transform lighting as we know it, saving up to 75% energy compared to the incandescent light. With this project, we plan to achieve 2 major goals. One is reduction in energy consumption, and secondly, to reduce the maintenance of the light fittings. This will have a profound impact on how we think about lighting in the future.
The negative view accounts for the people who are skeptical of the technology and are more orientated in the present. They base their opinions on the current technology that they trust and see the money being invested in the future as a waste for the present.
Well, I think they can make more use of that money, can go into education for one, really, and I think, they just spend money on daft things, really.
Okay, saying that's going to make Sheffield a lot nicer. I really think that they could be spending the money on other things revolve around the community.
The two main points of view are primarily based on opinion. The credibility of their opinion has been constructed on their comprehension on the data and information obtained through calculations and surveys. The positive outlook has considered all elements of people, place and profit combined, while the negative outlook will attack the element individually. When isolating the source of information and critically analyzing it, we are able to see minor flaws in thinking. Such include data and evidence problems and the restriction of options. The number crunching to estimate savings is purely a prediction and not concrete fact, whilst the media don't offer any other alternatives to consider. The United States of America have revealed their intention of adopting the LED technology and implementing it within various cities across the country. As stated by the San Francisco Public Utilities Commission, they will begin replacing approximately 18,500 city-owned high-pressure sodium lights throughout the city with ultra-efficient light-emitting diode fixtures. There will be no construction impact on private properties, nor will there be any cost towards residents. Similarly to Australia, the technology will produce the benefits of reduced carbon emissions and lowered energy costs. The key differences being the LED streetlights will be installed by local businesses, creating jobs to support the local community. powered by the % greenhouse gas-free energy sources of hydroelectric energy and solar energy. The ecologically sustainable development model has been well evaluated in conducting the project in San Francisco. All key factors of the environment, society, and the economy have been addressed, particularly the economy. It is evident that a greater importance has been stamped on the economical effects of the LED streetlights. With America being one of the most populated countries in the world, it is important that minimal risk be at stake in damaging their economy. As seen in this graph, a detailed analysis of the maintenance costs of the project has been conducted. It indicates the projected time taken to pay off the project excluding maintenance costs. This is an important projection that allows the government to allocate money correctly and fund the time. After research of the issue and observing numerous interviews for opinions, I've drawn to the conclusion that the use of LED streetlights in New South Wales will be a beneficial endeavour overall. Based on the information presented by the media and involved parties, it is clearly evident that the project will prove to be an ecologically sustainable development. In Australia and America, the governments have addressed the key principles of the environment, society, and the economy. I found that the statistics, results, and surveys that support their claim are overwhelming. Therefore, based on my study, I think LED streetlights are a viable technology that will eventually assist in our long-term goal of resource sustainability. As you can see, the introduction of LED streetlights in New South Wales has the potential to save councils millions of dollars in maintenance and energy costs. With reductions of up to 40% in greenhouse gases, we can also help conserve our threatened supply of crucial resources. As the research has indicated, this is a viable concept that resembles an ecologically sustainable development. Though 2 points of view are present about the topic, it is a positive outlook that proves dominant, as it satisfies all 3 key principles of the environment, society, and the economy. With interest of the technology reaching America and other urbanized parts of the world, it is only right that other governments now join the venture to help engage in resource sustainability and ultimately environment preservation.